Y'all can tell I love Kith, huh? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And last week, one of the greatest superheroes met one of the greatest streetwear brands in a collab, man. Kith been killing, guys. Y'all know BMW coming in 2 weeks. Kith for BMW. That's my favorite. But last week, Kith for Batman came out. Ronnie had all the old Batman movies playing in New York, Miami, LA. It was crazy, man. A lot of stuff, though. A lot of stuff I wanted to get, but with the colorways, is either black or white, it was like getting redundant. So I'm going to show y'all a couple of pieces I caught from that. And also, I got a new Kith Treats. That big box I just showed y'all a couple minutes ago. I got a new one of those, too. So hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. And to be honest, I don't know if I like Joker or Batman the best, man. Like, everybody who plays Joker does a great job. We know who did the best Joker, R.I.P. But they all do a great job. Let's start with Batman. When I opened the package, I got mad because last week when I did the kit for Mike Tyson, we got the old bags back. But then I remembered this is not a Monday program drop. These dropped on Friday. I actually brought them Wednesday. I got early access. But this was Monday program. So that's why this ain't come like this. So if you look, it was a million Batman shirts to choose from. I chose the one I like the best. And to be a little biased, I think it's the best Batman tee. Especially if you retro and you know about the Batman movies. So let's read the sticker. It reads, Kith Batman Dark Knight. Take this bad boy out. Even though it's not the Monday program, very good material here. Yeah, this gotta be it, man. This movie brought Batman back from the dark. No pun intended. Get that out the way. Here we go, man. Y'all remember The Dark Knight? Probably one of the best trilogies in history. Not only superhero-wise, movie-wise, cinematic-wise. And y'all remember that shot, man. I love it, man. Again, with Kith, I always go true to size. Got that washed denim black material made in Peru. So let's start with the tag. The CAD tag even has the Batman logo. Very dope, man. You flip it open, flip under. And then that's where it says made in Peru, very small. Get your Kith tags here. I like that they do this, man. It just makes a luxury brand, like more luxury brand. Makes a streetwear brand more luxury. More Batman Kith logos there. The name of the tee is there. But let's get into the tee. Where were you? How old were you when this scene happened? I was like, I think like early 20s, I believe, man. But this is one of my favorite movies to this day. I brought the Blu-ray. Now, you know we talking back in the days when you talking about Blu-ray. So, yeah, the front got the iconic scene there from The Dark Knight. And then the back, it has words too, but it's stealth-like in that Batman, you know, stealth. Could really see it, but you get the Batman logo there. And the words reads, Dark Knight, the night's darkest before the dawn, 2008, with another Batman logo and the Kith logo. Yeah, this was the hardest Batman shirt I seen in that joint. Let me know if you cop this. But again, for a sizing, I always go true to size medium. Sometimes I do a large with Kith. It's not that much of a difference. The second tee here, my guy Joker, man. I really wanted this tee in white. But by the time I got to it, even early access, by the time I got to it, it was only big sizes left, and I think one extra small or something crazy like that. So this one reads, Kith Batman Joker tee. The white makes this shirt look a lot better, but I don't mind the black. Like I told you, I love that washed denim look. So again, you get that same Kith Batman tag, even though it's a Joker tee, it's Kith for Batman. And you gotta like this, man. You could just hear his voice by looking at it, man. I think the white with the purple look was why I really liked it better. But I kind of like the black one now that I got it. So you got the large Kith logo at the top. And then you got my man here looking all, what's the word I'm looking for? Not horror. I don't know, man. Y'all feeling the blank. He got the purple coat on with the green shirt. Very dope, man. This one has nothing on the back. As far as the Joker and Kith, I really wish they would have gave us that scene with him in the hospital. But I do like this one. They do have other Joker tees, but by far, this was the best one. So yeah, in that comment section below, let me know what y'all caught from that Kith from Batman. And let me show you my latest Kith treats. Now, honestly, I think I buy these things because it come in these huge cereal box joints. I didn't even read it. I just knew it had looked like breakfast on it and it matched some sneakers I've been dying to wear. And my new olive Travis Scott, so I brought it. But let's look into it. It says Kith Treats. Looks like a old school diner where you buy breakfast at. Kith is very creative, man. Got the Kith Treats monogram all in the back, reflecting as you move it. The back here actually has the shirt and some other shirts, I guess, in that same collab. Very dope, man. So it comes where like you can close it back yourself. This is how it comes. So I guess you want to close it and hang it up or whatever. It's already sticky in there if you want to do it. And here go the tea. Now to my surprise, it also came with a marker. Now this is not the first time I received a marker on one of these. My Tricks one actually came with a whole bunch of different color markers. Let me open this. There we go. Dang, man. Like 4 nuts in here. Alright. Maybe I could just push it out, guys. The marker reads Kith Treats. Regular marker. I don't know if it's black, but it's gray here. Reads Kith Treats, regular marker. Store cap side down. But let's get to the tea, guys. It reads Kith Treats Toaster Waffle Vintage Tea. I told you I saw like a waffle on there, and I like the way it looks. And I do got them dunk waffles. Yeah. So let's get into it. Another black wash joint. But I love the graphic, man. Very huge graphic. Got the toaster, the waffle. Thought I saw some syrup. Okay, whipped cream, some chocolate. It reads Treats Waffle Made Fresh Daily. Got a green toaster, Kith toaster. The bottom it reads Toasted to Perfection since 2015. Kith Treats, that's when Kith Treats came out, 2015. Nothing on the back of this one, just like that Joker tee. Still get the same tag though, minus the Batman. But yeah, man, very dope. Yes, sir. So just a quick review and a little bit of a sizing guide for the Kith Batman joint. Let me know what y'all caught, man. I got some NBA Essential joints coming up. Another Essential joint. I don't know which one I'm going to put out first, but I got some fire, man. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit that everything the sneaker dudes say. I'm your boy Sneaker Knows Everybody. Get rich.